Let's talk about Adyen. Adyen is known for being a true all-in-one payment platform. It was built from the ground up to unify online, in-store, and mobile payments on a single system. This means you can manage every transaction type, every channel, and every region through one platform instead of relying on multiple third-party providers. Adyen handles payment processing, risk management, and global compliance under one roof, which makes it easier for enterprises to expand internationally without rebuilding their payment stack. One of Adyen's strongest advantages is its direct connection to major card networks and local payment methods around the world. Whether your customers are paying with a credit card in the United States, Ideal in the Netherlands, or Alipay in China, Adyen processes it natively. That local approach reduces transaction failures and improves authorization rates, which can make a big difference in high-volume global sales. Adyen also offers powerful data and analytics tools. Its unified platform gives you a complete view of your customers' payments across every channel. You can analyze conversion rates, detect fraud in real time, and use machine learning models to reduce chargebacks. Everything runs on a single global platform, meaning fewer integration points and less complexity. Developers can customize the checkout experience, integrate local payment methods, and access detailed APIs to build exactly what their business needs. That makes Adyen ideal for large brands that want total control and a consistent payment experience across markets. Now let's look at Worldpay. As one of the oldest and largest payment processors, Worldpay has a massive global footprint. It supports hundreds of currencies and payment types, and it is used by businesses ranging from small retailers to global corporations. Worldpay's strength lies in its experience, scale, and reliability. It offers robust support for credit cards, debit cards, alternative payments, and recurring billing, making it suitable for nearly any business model. Worldpay also has deep relationships with financial institutions and acquirers around the world. That means it can optimize routing for transactions, helping enterprises get better approval rates in key markets. Its system is built for scale, handling large transaction volumes with high uptime and strong fraud prevention measures. The platform includes tools for managing chargebacks, analyzing transaction data, and ensuring compliance with international regulations. For cross-border commerce, Worldpay offers dynamic currency conversion and local acquiring in many markets. This helps customers pay in their preferred currency while merchants receive settlements in their own. It also integrates with a wide range of enterprise resource planning systems and e-commerce platforms, which makes it easier for established businesses to plug in without major re-engineering. If you are an enterprise aiming for digital growth and unified reporting, Adyen is likely your best bet. If your business values long-standing relationships, global banking infrastructure, and proven reliability, Worldpay will serve you well. Either way, both are top-tier gateways that power some of the biggest cross-border transactions in the world, ensuring your customers can pay wherever they are with confidence and ease.